In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ATM or debit card charges in QuickBooks Online. When you pay for something with your debit card or take out cash from an ATM, recording it as an expense keeps your books accurate. It reduces the correct bank account and assigns the cost to the right category, so your reports and taxes make sense. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top left and click the New button. This opens the Create menu for transactions. From that menu, choose Expense. Expense is the form designed for money that's already been spent. It's different from a bill, which you plan to pay later, or a check, which you physically print or handwrite. Now fill out the details of the expense. Pick a payee if you have one, or leave it blank for an ATM withdrawal. Make sure the payment account is the bank account connected to the debit card you used. Set the date to the day the charge occurred. If you see a field for payment method, choose debit card or ATM to keep things clear. A memo can help you remember what this charge was for, and you can attach a photo or PDF of the receipt for your records. In the Category Details section, choose the account category that best describes the purchase, such as office supplies, meals, or fuel. For ATM cash withdrawals used for business, you might categorize the cash to the expense that reflects how it was used, and you can use the memo to note that it was an ATM withdrawal. Enter the amount you spent. If the bank charged an ATM or debit fee, you can add a second line to split the expense. One line for the purchase amount, and another line to bank charges or bank service fees for the fee, so it's separated cleanly on your reports. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the expense, reduces the selected bank account, and posts the cost to the category you chose. You can review it later in the expenses list or in the register for that bank account. That's all it takes. Click New, select Expense, fill in the payee, payment account, category, and amount. Then Save and Close. Keep the same flow for each debit card or ATM transaction so your books stay up to date and easy to reconcile.